Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate the two coursework apps, the admin Android app, which is here, which is this app, and a customer hybrid app, which is built in Expo. At the moment, I haven't built the customer, I haven't run built the customer app yet, but that's not matter much. Firstly, I'll show you. Uh, so I'll show you the customer app in a minute. So uh, no, firstly, let's take a look at the admin app. Okay, it is created by Kotlin and use lots of modern UI libraries like Jetpack Compose. So the UI, as you can see, are very beautiful and modern. Okay, the app the app navigation is mainly uh, created by bottom tab. So as you can see, there are three main screens here: the add class screen, the view classes screen, and the search classes screen. Okay, so first let's view the view classes screen. This screen display all the classes created in this add class screen. Okay, let's take a quick look about the created classes. Okay, so let's check about the class instances. Let's see if this class have any instances. So as you can see, at the moment this class has two instances. Okay, so I'll test adding a new class. Maybe I'll pick 20, and the teacher will be the teacher is dynamic string, so the user can enter any characters here. So yes, I recognize it. Recognize it, and I'll put it in future improvement because teacher should be in a drop down as a fixed array, or we will create uh, another collection for teacher besides the yoga classes and class instances collections in the file store database. Maybe I'll just input Mr. Pickles. Okay, so maybe this teacher has no comment. Okay, so at the moment the date is not satisfied because this class is only accept the Tuesday, so I have to find any date that match Tuesday. Okay, so there's no error show up, so I think it's work. It will be worked. It will work. Okay, so as you can see, new class instance is created instantaneously. Let's edit it. Well, I think there's a bug. Okay, so I think I know the issue, the bug. Uh, the bug. I have to refetch the data before before pressing the latest the just created class instance. For example, I click it again, and there's no, and that UI bot won't show up again because because it didn't have the unique ID of that instance, so that page so it threw arrows, so the page won't work. So if I click on another page and re click that class, and so that class will call the that class will yes will call the get all instances once again, and this time it have the valid ID. So yes, so having that ID, it will redirect the user to this screen, the edit instance screen, and it will fetch one more time. Fetch another fetch fetch another request by that is called get instance by ID, which will fill in these input form with the fields of that class instance that has just been found. I will make this instance some comment. Okay, new comment, save changes. Okay, as you can see, the class instance with the comments already updated. Next, I'll try to add new yoga class that haven't appeared before. So maybe let's try Wednesday. Let's try 15 o'clock family yoga. Max people can participate is 3. Duration is 90 minutes. The price is 12. Just test description. As you can see, there is a button with title add current location here, but I haven't implemented the functionality of it. It just basically just retrieve the user current location, but it hasn't do anything, so I'll put it in future improvement. It's just basically used for referencing how the app is used to get the user current location, but we are not using it in this app. Okay, so I think that's enough for the required fields in the add class process, so I'll hit the add class button right now. Okay, so there should be a modal pop-up like this for confirming class detail. Upon clicking the edit, it will just remove that modal, and the user can try to first once again. Yes, add class. Okay, this time the user is already satisfied with the fields, so yes, they press the save button. Okay, so if the user see all the inputs are return empty, like default, like by default, it means new class is added successfully. Let's switch to the view classes screen to see if that class has already been implemented or be added. So right here, as you can see, the new class is added in the bottom of the list because I haven't filtered the class descendingly descendingly the created created add field, because in my yoga classes model, I don't have that created add or updated add field, so it always push new record to the end of the current to that yoga classes collection. Okay, let me check if this class has any instances. Yes, it is left empty, absolutely. I would test add new instance for this class, maybe 12th of April. Teacher is open and add instance. Okay, so the day is not satisfied, as I said before. I have to choose a day that match Wednesday. Okay, so as you can see, new data, new class instance will show up. Okay, so finally I will demonstrate the final screen. It is a search screen. Let me find by day, maybe the day of week. For example, Wednesday. So currently we have two yoga classes that are opened only on Wednesday. Let's find by teacher. For example, let's find by Tom. Okay, so at the moment there, as you can see, right here on the day of 15th of April 2025, there is a teacher named Tom. Okay, so yeah, so it works for the filtering classes by teacher. How about by type? I'll try to search Ariel. Yes, it's work. Or family. Yes, it's work as well. How about date? I'll check for 25th of November. 25 November. Yeah, there is one class which include an instance of 25 November 2029. Okay, so I think that's the end of the search screens. I'll show you the final function, the two final functionalities, which are sync to cloud and reset database. I will hit the sync to cloud database button first. Okay, so because it's syncing a lot of yoga classes and class instance field, so it takes a little bit of time.